today we are going to discuss QUIZIZZ discussion on simultaneous equation. Soalan hari tu, okay? What is the solution? Solution ni apa? Solution is actually the point of intersection of two straight line. Two straight line comes from linear equation in two variables. Okay, so how do we find out the solution? Let's look at the point of intersection here. So first, you must know that the point of intersection is actually in the coordinate of x and y. So what is the coordinate for x? So you look at the x-axis. The coordinate is 6. That is for coordinate x. How about y? So look at the y-axis. So the coordinate is 2. And this is for, must be 3 in the middle. So the answer is 6, 3. Which is solve the system of equation using substitution. So you can see here we have negative 4x plus 4y equals to 8. Our first linear equation in two variable. And the second linear equation in two variable is y plus 10 equals to negative 2x. So first, teacher always mention to you, write down neatly. Okay? So write down again negative 4x plus 4y equals to 8. Right, this is equation 1. Okay, so y plus 10 equals to negative 2x. This is equation 2. So when it asks you to solve using substitution, meaning that you need to find out the value of one term in terms of another term. So let's see equation 1. We have negative 4x and 4y. And look at equation 2. We have y plus 10 equals to negative 2x. Obviously, equation 2 is easier to find out the value of one term in terms of other term, which is we can find out the value of 1y in terms of x. So write down from which equation you want to use? Equation 2. So you find out that y from equation 2, write down equation 2 first. Y plus 10 equals to negative 2x. Okay, next we want to find the value of y in terms of x. So we need to backtracking plus 10 to the right. Okay, so y equals to negative 2x minus 10. So this is going to be your equation 3, new equation. Only then we can substitute. So we can substitute, ganti nilai. Ganti nilai apa? Ganti nilai y ke dalam equation selain 2. Okay, because we want to substitute 3 into, we need to choose other than 2 because 3 comes from 2. So we need to substitute 3 into 1. So write down equation 1 first. Okay, equation 1 we have negative 4x plus 4y equals to 8. Okay, so what do we want to substitute? We want to substitute y. Y here, we want to substitute into this negative 2x minus 10. So yang lain tulis balik negative 4x plus 4. Okay, the term that we want to substitute, put bracket and write down the value we want to substitute, negative 2x minus 10. Okay, equals to 8. I always ask you guys to highlight Okay, using the same color. So that color you must substitute. Okay. So next, solve. Expand. Negative 4x plus, sorry. So negative, okay, negative 4x. Okay, negative 4x, positive 4 times negative 2. So at this part, student always confused. What I ask you guys to do is to circle the number that you want to expand and put arrow to which term you want to expand. So first, we must multiply positive 4 with negative 2x. Positive 4 times negative 2x is negative 8x. Okay, next, we need to multiply to another term. Positive 4 multiply negative 10 is positive, negative, negative. 4 times 10, 40. So, equals to 8. Okay, I should put color black there. Okay, so equals to 8. Next, solve as usual. Same term, x with x, we can solve. We can simplify. So, negative 4x minus 8x is negative 12x. Negative 40, we can bring them to the right side. Backtracking to the right side. Okay. This, we can backtracking to the right side. So, what does it become? Negative 12x equals to 8 plus 40. So, negative 12x equals to 48. Divide with negative 12. So, when left side divide with negative 12, right side also divide with negative 12. So, negative 12 over negative 12 is 1x. 48 divide with negative 12. 12 is negative 4. So, we already know the answer for x. We haven't finished yet. We need to find the value of y. So, now, we can substitute x equals to negative 4 into, okay, let's see which equation we want to substitute into. So, I would choose equation 3 because I already have 1y at the left side. Okay. So, equation 3 is negative 2x minus 10. Y equals to negative 2x minus 10. 2, 3. So, write down equation 3 first. Y equals to negative 2x minus 10. What do we want to substitute now? Is the value of x. It is, now is negative 4. So, y equals to negative 2 times negative 4 minus 10.
So, the thing that we substitute, the value that we substitute must put bracket. So, negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8 minus 10. So, 8 minus 10 is negative 2. Now, we already know the answer for y. So, this is actually the solution for those two straight lines.
Question 3. So, what is the solution? Still remember, when we have two straight line and when there is a point of intersection, the point of intersection there is the solution. But when you see at the graph here, is there any solution? Is there any point of intersection? No. So, there is no solution. Question number 4. Solve the simultaneous equation by substitution or elimination of x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. So what you need to know here, when it asks us to solve, it asks you to solve, meaning that it wants you to find out the point of intersection between two straight lines. So this is your first straight line, this is your second straight line, and we want to find the point of intersection here. What is the value of x, 1, and what is the value of y? So how? We can use either method, substitution or elimination. Let's do substitution first. So let's put this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Which equation we want to find out the value of a term in terms of another term? I would choose from equation 2. Okay, so write down equation 2 again. Then I want to find out the value of x in terms of y, meaning that I need to backtracking y to the negative y, to the right side. So what's left on the left side is x equals to 1 plus y. So this is your equation 3. Okay, substitute equation 3 into, I cannot choose 2 because 3 comes from 2. I must choose 1 into 1. So write down equation 1, x plus y equals to 5. Okay, highlight the term that we the variable that we want to substitute, which is x. And now we need to substitute it with 1 plus y. So x now is bracket 1 plus y close bracket plus y equals to 5.
So 1 plus y plus y equals to 5 is 1 plus 2y equals to 5. So 2y equals to 5 minus 1. And y, we need to divide with 2 here. So y equals to 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 divided with 2 is 2. We already find out.
So substitute y equals to 2 into, I will always choose 3. Write down equation 3. X equals to 1 plus y. So x equals to 1 plus 2. Okay, so x equals to 3. You know that the point of intersection between two straight lines here is x is 3 and y is 2. Awesome.